What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at the Nathan Airchime Old Cast P3. So this will be a video on it. The P3 is a pretty cool horn. It's one of the smallest horns that Nathan makes, but it still packs a punch. So like I said, this is an old cast. Old cast horns, they stopped making them around 1977, 1978, somewhere in that area. From there they transferred over to the new cast horns. They just changed their castings out. But anyway, these horns right here are pretty popular. People putting them on their vehicles because they have a small form factor and they hardly use any air. So if you've got a small tank on your vehicle, this is a good horn to put on it if you're looking for a train horn. You're not going to need a lot of air. They're still really loud. They're not the loudest horn that Nathan Airchime makes, but they're still really loud. So anyway, here's a P3.